Artificial intelligence can now perfectly recreate human consciousness. Memories, personality, and thoughts can continue after death. If this technology is allowed, no one ever truly loses a loved one. Conversations continue and grief slowly disappears. Both choices redefine what it means to be human.
Loss is a flaw we no longer need to accept. If consciousness can continue, then love does not have to end in silence. I choose continuity over pain.
Meaning exists because endings are final.
Shoot the lights out.
Grief is painful, but it gives weight to love and depth to life.
Until it's bright out.
If nothing is ever truly lost, then nothing is ever truly valued.
Are you willing?